What a fine day everybody to watch a tutorial video and you guys are at the correct YouTube channel App Tutorial, because in this channel we post tutorial video. And in today's tutorial video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can create yourself an Instagram business account. Alright, now it's pretty simple. Now you just need to open yourself an Instagram account by signing up into Instagram. First, sign up into Instagram. Once you sign up into Instagram, you guys are gonna have a personal account by default, and you need to change that account into a business account, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can do that. And if you don't know how to sign up into Instagram, we have made a video on that topic on our channel. You can watch that video. And before moving forward, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. Now, to change your account into a business account, what you need to do is click on your profile picture at the bottom of your screen, and it's going to bring you to your profile. Once you're over here, you need to click on the three line at the top right of your screen and go on where it says setting. You have to click on account. Once you click on account, scroll all the way down and click on where it says switch to professional account. Click on continue. And over here you have to choose which category your account falls under. So mine falls under editor, so I'm going to choose that. And I'm going to click on done. Now wait for some time, and over here you have two options, creator or business. We want business, so we are going to go on business and click on next. And over here you need to enter your email and your location, but if you don't want to enter it right now, you can just enter your email. That's it, and click on next and click on skip over here and click on cross at the top right of your screen, and basically your business account is created. Now you can click on edit profile to fill your information over here and do all the other stuff. All right, that's basically how you guys can create yourself a business Instagram account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel App Tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.